Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect electric lemonade like a pro. This amazing cocktail is beautifully concocted with vodka, citrus juices, and a touch of white wine. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's start and jump in. Take any tall glass of about 14 ounces or 400 milliliters. Pack up the glass with lots of fresh ice cubes. A fresh ice cube is very essential for a summer cocktail, as it melts slowly and keeps the cocktail fresh for a long time. Pour 1½ ounce or 45 milliliters of vodka. Vodka is the most preferred spirit among young people, as it doesn't have strong flavor and taste. Tell me, what about you? Pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of sweet and sour mix. If you want to know how to make the sweet and sour mix, please click on the I button on my upper left side. Pour ½ an ounce or 15 milliliters of blue curacao. Now shake all the ingredients without ice, and pour straight into the glass. This is known as the mix method in the mixology terminology. In this method, all the ingredients are shaken without ice to reduce over-dilution, and poured into a tall glass filled with ice. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now pour a splash of chilled lemonade. We are almost done. So let's jump into the most interesting part of this recipe. Pour about 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of white wine. And when you sip this cocktail, you will feel a little spark on the tongue. And this is the beauty of a perfect electric lemonade. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and feel the spark of this cocktail. Today I am using a dehydrated lemon wheel and a fresh mint sprig. And I hope that you will be able to make this cocktail like a pro. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Cheers! Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.